BharatBenz 914 comes with an ex-showroom price starts from 11,80,000 Indian rupee onwards. The truck is available in 3 wheelbase options such as 3,760 mm, 4,250 mm, 4,800 mm and 5 body types HSD, FSD, reefer van, container and DSD. BharatBenz 914 truck is powered by a BS4, 3907 cc, 4-cylinder diesel engine that delivers out a maximum power of 140 bhp at 2,500 revolutions per minute and a peak torque of 420 Nm at 1,500 to 2,000 revolutions per minute. Paired to a 6-speed manual gearbox. Clutch is dry single-plate hydraulic actuated type. Fuel tank capacity of the truck is 200 liters and Adblue tank capacity is 27 liters. Minimum turning radius of the truck is 13.8 meters and top speed of the truck is 80 km per hour. Cabin is day cabin and tiltable. Overall length of the truck varies from 6,985 mm to 8,405 mm. Overall width of the truck is 2,250 mm and overall height of the truck is 2,420 mm. Ground clearance of the truck is 205 mm. Payload capacity of the truck is 5,910 kilograms. Maximum gradeability is 27%. Gross vehicle weight is 9,600 kilograms and curb weight of the truck is 3,690 kilograms. Steering is hydraulic power assisted and tiltable. Front suspension is heavy-duty forged I-beam reverse Elliot type axle and rear suspension is leaf spring.